Looks like he has a fish. He might not have it anymore, though.
Catfish.
No.
That's a baby blue.
Got a catfish.
Baby blue cat.
Looks like he gets the dollar again.
No, that's gonna be between y'all two.
Yay.
Because you got the dollar last time.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's a big one. Not a big one, but it's bigger than the one I caught.
Yeah.
He's mad at you.
Yeah.
Can I?
Still got my worm. Huh?
Okay. Get that.
I heard him, but he'd be alright.
Okay.
Back to the dips.
Ooh.
Can I put him in the water? Bye-bye.
Okay, we're throwing him in the water.
Bye-bye, little guy.
Oh. Okay.
There you go. Do the happy dance. Do the happy dance. Do the happy dance. Do the happy dance. Okay.
Bye.